Good morning. Today we would like to discuss business data analyst. We have discussed what is meant by business data analysis and the tools, etc. Today we would like to discuss business data analyst. An analyst means a person who collects, process, and perform statistical analysis on large data set. Who is called a data analyst? Data analysts and business analysts both work with data. The main difference lies is what they do with it. Once again, data analyst and business analyst both work with data. The main difference lies in what job they do with it. With it means with the data. Business analysts use data to help organization to make more effective business decisions, while data analysts are more interested in gathering and analyzing data for the business to evaluate and use to make decision on their own. Okay, both are different. Slight difference is there based on the what they do it. Okay, then responsibilities of this data analyst. We know organization crucial decisions are is based on the this scientific method of analysis of the data. So proper care should be taken while we are collecting, analyzing, and reporting the data, only because of all these decisions are based on this data. So what are the responsibilities of this data analyst? Okay, what we say that big responsibility is there on data analyst, only because of the organization is totally based on their interpretations. So first responsibility, that is producing a report. That means the data analyst spend a significant amount of time for producing and maintaining both internal and external reports. Reports is always prepared by this analyst. Those reports give management insight about the new trends and realities. Company may improve or take necessary actions. So successful data analysts understand how to create narrative with data. Okay, so this is the very important role or responsibility of the data analyst. The next one, supporting pattern. That means the most effective data analysts are able to use data to tell a story. That means in order to give, or in order to produce a meaningful report, this person has to be able to see important pattern or trend in the data. Many softwares or applications we can use for preparing these reports. That means regular frequency or monthly report or quarterly report that gives some trends or that gives some pattern. So organization can take decision. Oh, what happened in our previous month, what happened in our next previous months, or what happened in the near future. They can mold or they can prepare a course of action based on this trend. Okay, the next one, that is collaborating with others. We are already discussed what is meant by collaboration. This is nothing but a person working apart from the rest of the company. His responsibility to collaborate across many other departments. So this integration or collaboration, that means close with other departments. Other department, like they can help this department in several ways. So a successful data analyst should collaborate with other department on his ability to work with people. The collaboration help to make more effective. Okay. The next one, collecting data and setting up in infrastructure. That means the most technical aspect of an analyst job is collecting the data. we are already discussed garbage in, garbage out. What we are collect, that is the problem. Based on this collection of the data, a result uh, will come. Okay, so the collection of data is the core steps in the analysis. So this means working together with web developers or these techies to optimize data collection. That means they work to develop a routine that can be automated and easily modified for reuse or use in future. So analysts keep handful to special. They should they always keep contact with what we say that those person who are specialized in softwares or and techies. So that is called collecting and setting up of infrastructure. These analysis can be possible through softwares or statistical applications that we are discussed in our previous classes. So these are all the important responsibilities of data analyst. The next one, what are the skills that is required for a data analyst? Various skills we are already discussed. Data analysis is based on the capacity and caliber or competency of the data analyst. So what are all the qualities of data analyst? First one, that is programming languages. So we are doing all these business with the help of softwares. So the data analyst should have some competency in programming languages. So you should be proficient in one language and have a working knowledge of a few more languages. We are always using R software, or R is a free software, or a SAS, or any other software for gathering, analyzing and report writing, etc. So you should have some competency in programming languages. The next one, creative and analytical thinking. So his own thinking capacity, his own ideology that reflect the preparation of the reports. So he should be creative and analytical in nature. Curiosity and creativity are key attributes of a good data analysis. So we are all know. This will help the analyst to generate interesting research question that will enhance the company's understanding of the matter. The next one, that is a strong and effective communication. We already discussed this report should be communicated with the top official. Then only they can take decisions. So the communication or ability to communicate, whether it is positive or negative, he should be communicated properly in a positive manner. So the data analyst must clearly convey their findings, okay, without misleading or without misunderstanding. Strong communication is a key factor to success. The next, data visualization. That means effective data visualization takes trial and error. A successful data analysis understand what type of graph to use. We are always using pie diagram in every tables. It's not suitable. So data analyst should understand or should foresee what kind of graph or what kind of picture or what kind of diagram that is suitable in the report writing. Okay, the next, data warehousing. Data warehousing means backup. Warehousing means backup. Connect the database for multiple sources to create data warehouses and use querying languages to find out the data management. Okay. The next, SQL database. SQL database means is a relational database with structured data. Data is always stored in tables, and data analysts pull these informations from different tables to perform analysis. The next, database querying languages. That is the most common querying languages a data analyst use in SQL. SQL, you know, and many variations of these languages. That is PostgreSQL, TSQL, PLSQL, etc., etc. Then the last quality, not last, we have discussed some of the qualities, data mining and cleaning. That is means data analyst should have a clear-cut objective or clear-cut idea about the cleaning and mining. We are already discussed in our previous classes what is mean by cleaning. That means data analysts must use tools to gather unstructured data Once they have enough data, they clean or eliminate unnecessary data and include wanted or needed necessary data. Okay, then only we can proceed with the analysis. Many skills that is required. He should have well versed in Microsoft Excel or statistical packages, and he should be minimum knowledge related to the statistical tools like mathematical tool like correlation, regression, F test, Z test, etc., etc. We are all discussed in our numerical skills. Then he should have some capacity to report writing and creative thinking, etc., etc. So these are all the skills required for a data analysis. By these words, let us conclude today's class. Thank you.